In this video, I will show you how to calculate the profit margin percentage in Excel. Open Excel and create a new spreadsheet. In the first row, label the columns as follows. Enter the revenue for the first, second, third, and fourth week. Then enter the expenses for the first, second, third, and fourth week. Now we need to calculate the profit. In the first profit cell, type =B2 minus B3, revenue minus expenses, and press Enter. This formula subtracts the expenses from the revenue. Click and drag until week 4. Next, we'll calculate the profit margin. In the first profit margin cell, type B4 divided by B2. Profit divided by revenue. This divides the profit by revenue. To make this more readable, we need to format it as a percentage. Select cell B5, go to the Home tab, and click on the percentage icon in the toolbar. You can also increase the decimal places for more accuracy by clicking on the Increase Decimal button. And that's it! You've successfully calculated the profit margin percentage in Excel.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.